Ebi mukuru w'ihanga kandi okwatire ekibina kya NRM bendera yabigambo byaba nagambaho aharukungana rw'urwo kubanza ori yakora omuri Oyam bwanyuma yo kuhumuramu ku rugo rwa katano. Harishaha mushanju nibwo mwebembezi w'ihanga General Museveni yahika ha kicayi ekya Boma ekiri kushangwa mu town nkuru ya district ya Oyam aho abahagizi bamwakira na kari. Abantu abo muri rango baragana soko mwebembezi w'ihanga karuru ebicuye kigana harigana ahabwe ebyo ebyabakorire.
Lango sub-region, Acholi sub-region and West Nile have all agreed that in the 2026 general elections we are going to conduct an inter-district voting competition to get the best district in voting President Museveni and NRM in Lango, best district in Acholi, best district in West Nile, and best district overall in northern Uganda.
At my age, 50 years down the road, I know we have 8 candidates who have registered to contest. But I want you to leave this great district without any doubt in your mind.
Omwebembezi w'ihanga omukugamba kwe yashobora ngupo nk'ekibina kya NRM hamwe na government nabaza kukora ekikubasika okurebeka ngo byobwegese byayongerwamu amaani.
Now in the coming government which you have pledged to support us achieve, we are going to make sure that all the parishes have government primary schools, and then that all the sub-counties have got the one which does not have a secondary school has a secondary school.
Bwanyuma y'abantu ba district egi kweshengereza mukuru w'ihanga kubaganisa mu district egi, President Museveni yabaraganisa kwari kuza kubahenchwamu aho kwa hamuheru.
That what do you want me to do for you? You ask anybody at random, they will say, we want a better district.
I stop the road.
Yes, Your Excellency.
Those who say, you vote and say you stop the road. Okay, I will surrender for the district.
Omwebembezi w'ihanga General Museveni herizoba naza kugambaho n'abanyamakuru omumakaje agari kushangwa umurango obwo ari kubashobora aho yahika omukusherera karuru hamwe na cyari kukurasaho. Gacha kwa Ronald Ngabirano habwa Tayari West.